Welcome to the first episode of the Jeep Liberty Rescue Series. This 05 Liberty has seen some better days, but instead of giving up on it, we'll go ahead and breathe some new life into it, both for the challenge and for the memories. Let me go ahead and show you how we've taken this Liberty from this to this. For this first episode, I focused on giving the Jeep a light detail. I started off with a pressure wash to knock off the dirt and grime from the tires, rims, and then I'll move on to the body. For this segment, we'll use the Diablo Wheel Cleaner by Chemical Guys. The Jeep Liberty, known as the Jeep Cherokee in markets outside of North America, was introduced as a replacement for the original Jeep Grand Cherokee, which has continued to be a staple in the Jeep lineup since 1984. Once that was done, I moved on to a more thorough wash using the Pink Soap by Chemical Guys. This is my go-to for a deep clean without stripping away any existing wax or sealants. After rinsing the pink soap, I carefully dried the Jeep to avoid any water spots, especially on that old paint. Next up was the hood, which definitely needed some attention. I polished this using the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. This product is perfect for older vehicles. It adds a nice deep shine while offering some protection against the elements. Finally, to finish this all off, we moved on to the tires. After a good cleanup with Chemical Guys Wheel Cleaner, I finished them off with the Armor All Tire Foam. It really brings out that deep black finish and gives the tires a fresh, glossy look. Liberty debuted in 2002 and marked a significant shift for Jeep, as it was designed to bridge the gap between rugged off-road capability and the growing demand for more refined, road-friendly SUVs. I'm looking forward to sharing more history on the Jeep and on its journey. Until then, we'll see you next episode. Thanks.